If you are looking for an easy way to host websites and web apps, you have probably heard of Netlify. But is it still one of the best hosting platforms for developers in 2026? In this video, I'll cover its key features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's worth using. What is Netlify? Netlify is a cloud based hosting platform built for modern web development. It is designed primarily for static websites and front end frameworks like React, Next.js, Astro, Vue, and Svelte. It connects directly to Git repositories, so every code update can automatically trigger a new deployment. Key features. One of Netlify's biggest strengths is continuous deployment. Just connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket repository, and your site is automatically built and deployed whenever you push changes. It also includes a global CDN, which helps websites load quickly around the world. For developers building full stack applications, Netlify supports serverless functions, scheduled functions, edge functions, and built in form handling without requiring a separate backend for many projects. Other useful features include preview deployments for every pull request, custom domains with free SSL certificates, environment variables, analytics, and integrations with many popular developer tools. Pros. Netlify is extremely easy to set up, even for beginners. It offers a generous free plan for personal projects and portfolios. Deployments are fast, collaboration tools are excellent, and the developer experience is one of the best in the industry. It's especially great for Jamstack websites and front end focused applications. Cons. The main downside is that advanced features and higher usage can become expensive as your application grows. Some server side workloads are better suited to platforms like Vercel, Render, or traditional cloud providers. It's also not designed for hosting traditional monolithic applications or complex back end services. Pricing. Netlify offers a free plan with generous limits for personal projects. Paid plans unlock higher usage limits, advanced collaboration features, enhanced security, and enterprise capabilities for larger teams. Final verdict. So, is Netlify the best hosting platform for developers in 2026? If you are building modern front end websites, portfolios, landing pages, or Jamstack applications, the answer is yes. Its ease of use, automated deployments, and powerful developers tools make it one of the top hosting platforms available. However, if your project relies heavily on back-end services or require more complex infrastructure, you may want to compare it with platforms like Vercel, Render, or a traditional cloud provider before making your decision. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.